Classic Legends Private Limited has revealed that Java Motorcycles has crossed the 50,000 sales milestone in India. The landmark figure has been achieved in a period of 12 months and also includes the lockdown period. The company said that there were zero inventories during the lockdown that further increased the waiting period for the brand's motorcycles. Earlier this year, Classic Legends began exporting Java motorcycles to Nepal as well as parts of Europe. The company had previously confirmed that it delivered 2,000 units of the Java Perak alone during the festive season in October 2020. The bike maker is now looking to expand its production capacity and dealership footprint to cater to the increasing demand of Java bikes. Harley-Davidson dealers in India have spoken out against the American motorcycle brand's decision to exit India operations. The dealers say that Harley-Davidson has left them in the lurch and the compensation offered to them is far below expectations, calling it unreasonable and peanuts compared to the investment made by the 33 dealerships across the country over the years. The dealers say that they have facilitated and nurtured the entry and growth of the iconic brand in India for 11 years, and each dealership has invested about 4 crore rupees, followed by an additional 1 crore rupees per dealership towards tools, equipment and trained manpower. The dealers allege that Harley-Davidson never informed them about the company's plans to exit the Indian market, and they only got to know about the news through media reports. The dealers are now exploring legal options against the company. Virgin Hyperloop has become the first company dabbling in Hyperloop technology to test with humans on board. The Hyperloop concept is an ultra-fast mode of ground transportation which can achieve speeds over 650 km per hour. The first human test took place at the company's DevLoop test track in the desert outside Las Vegas, Nevada in the US and featured 2 passengers. The Hyperloop pods, dubbed as the Pegasus, were transferred into an airlock and the pod then accelerated at 160 km per hour down the length of the track. Hyperloops work by creating a vacuum of air that allows vehicles to accelerate at high speeds using electromagnetic propulsion. The DevLoop track is just 500 meters in length and 3.3 meters in diameter, which is also one of the reasons why the top speed wasn't as extreme. The company now claims that it has completed over 400 tests.
If you like that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.